Good morning. This is Jessica, and I just want to send this quick message so you guys can be on the same page. Kind of putting myself in your shoes because you are about to receive lots of emails, and I hate when it happens. And I really want to keep things in simplicity, in transparency, and honor my promise that you really will get connections and possible leads and clients from our event. Okay. So first thing I want to clarify is that we have live talks and recorded talks. So the first page that you are seeing here, and this is a PDF that you'll be able to download, it is with the live talks. As you can see, there will be talks that overlap. And it's going to be hard for you to pick, but you're going to have to pick one of the live talks that you want. Okay. Now, second page is the talks on demand. This is all the talks that will be already pre-recorded. Now, the speakers are going to be available for you via chat. Okay, so that's why you see in the itinerary that they are all of them set up for 3 p.m. on Thursday. Now, here's the thing. If you get the CEO pass, don't feel like you have to rush through that content because you will have access to that content until the end of December. Okay. Essentially, what we figured out was what exactly is that a business owner will need from now until closing the 2020. And that's why we included information on personal growth, on mindset, on productivity, on specific techniques that will boost your marketing, boost your sales, and help you to build a business that primarily is focusing in word of mouth marketing and relationship marketing. Okay, so I hope that this clarifies for you what's going to happen and sets up the right expectations. We also have the networking happy hour. Please, please, please make sure that you are there. Also, at the beginning of the conference, 10 a.m., that's separated to meet the speakers and also accelerated networking. So if you are up to networking, the 10 a.m. on Thursday and the 2 p.m. on Friday are a must attend. Okay. Again, I hope this clarifies the information. If you are having the networking pass, just to clarify, that networking pass will only give you access to specific live talks during the Thursday and Friday, which is great. But I strongly recommend that you upgrade to your CEO pass so you can open all of this, and potentially anything that you missed from the live talks is also going to be recorded for you, and you'll be having access to replay all of this content throughout the rest of 2020. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll be more than happy to clarify them, or I would love for you to also share this invitation with anybody that needs to build their business from word of mouth marketing and relationship marketing. Thank you so much.